Hey guys, John V from Phone Arena here. You're watching our video review of the Braven 850 portable Bluetooth speaker. This is one of the latest Bluetooth speakers in Braven's portfolio. Last year we checked out the Braven 600 speaker, so the 850 that we're checking out here is an evolutionary upgrade. It features continuous playback time of 20 hours, you have a noise cancellation speakerphone, and has its own built-in 8800 milliamp hour battery so you can charge your devices on the go. We're actually familiar with the design language here just because we saw it with last year's model in the Braven 600. It has a very industrial design, rather boxy with some hard lines to it, and very sturdy with its construction. The housing itself is primarily constructed out of aircraft-grade aluminum, so it has a very sturdy feel to its construction, it has a very clean finish, and has a distinctive industrial touch to it. Along the top edge of the speaker, we have its set of physical buttons. They're a little bit flush to the surface, but luckily they have really good springy responses. They include things like the power button, the volume controls, the pause play feature. You have also the pickup and phone calls button. And when you hold down the volume up and volume down button simultaneously for 2 seconds, you enable its SRS audio support. On the left side, we just have the Braven name etched into the housing. On the right, we have the wall charging port. You have the auxiliary in, so you can hardwire something directly to it. A full-size USB port, so you can use that to charge your device on the go. And you have a physical button right here. When you press it down, it turns on the LEDs. It corresponds to how much juice is left inside of its 8800 milliamp hour battery. And finally, at the bottom edge, we have just 2 rubber feet to help keep the speaker in place as you're playing something. Inside of this, it's housing extended range aluminum cone drivers and dual passive radios to give its audio punch. Essentially, the Braven 850 delivers 20 watts of power. Much like any other Bluetooth speaker nowadays, the pairing process is simple and straightforward. So when we first turn it on, it's automatically placed into pairing mode, and from there we connected both an iPhone 5S and a Galaxy S4 to it. And once it's connected, we can also visualize how much battery is left by looking at the icon. Actually, it's just nice having the option to charge our devices on the go thanks to the Braven 850's internal 8800 milliamp hour battery. You press the button once here to show how much juice is left. You just connect your charging cable to the unit and to your smartphone, and from there, it's going to automatically start charging. Okay, we'll admit we're pleasantly surprised by the audio output of the Braven 850 speaker. Now, for its size, its package, it rivals those larger home docking speaker solutions you tend to see like from Bose and even Clips. But with this, it's just a more compact version, and at the loudest volume setting, it definitely echoes large rooms, but at times it sounds a little bit strained, and we do hear just a little bit of crackling. So right now we're playing a song without the SRS Wow HD enabled with it, and honestly the audio quality sounds a little bit on the flat side. So when we actually enable it by just holding down the volume up and volume down button simultaneously for 2 seconds, we notice a tremendous difference in audio quality. The audio just sounds a lot cleaner and more potent, and you have just more bass too with it. In general, you're not going to find too many problems when it comes to making phone calls through the Braven 850 speaker. For starters, the audio output is extremely loud, so voices are more than audible, and it does a great job of actually cutting down wind. So on the other end line, our callers have more emphasis on voices. Even though it's rated to give 20 hours of continuous playback time from full charge, we managed to exceed that just by a little bit, as long as you have the volume set to the middle setting instead of blasting it at the loudest. This isn't cheap at all, folks. There's a steep cost associated with the Braven 850, and if you're looking to pick it up, just know you're going to have to fork over $300 to pick it up. Some people are obviously going to be turned off by that notion, but if cost is an issue for you, the Braven 850 is a decent option you want to consider. It has a fantastic industrial design, you have excellent audio quality, and you have also the ability to charge your devices on the go with you. So it's a decent semi-portable Bluetooth speaker solution. So if you guys want to learn more about the Braven 850 Bluetooth speaker, you can check out our website, phonearena.com. It's John V. Thanks for watching.